Magandang araw mga kaluto! We're going to cook a special dish today. Gagawa tayo ng prawns in Zamboanga sauce. Inspirations ko sa Zamboanga kasi land of seafood at napakasarap ng mga timplada nila doon. Pag nagustuhan nyo itong recipe, don't forget, click the subscribe button dahil marami pa tayong video na dadating para ma-inform kayo. At saka kung magustuhan nyo to, bigyan nyo ako ng konting thumbs up. Okay? Start na tayo! The first thing that we're going to do is gagawa tayo ng sauce. Yung inspirasyon ko yung Zamboanga sauce. Okay? So, let's heat the pan. Tapos, mag-e-extract tayo ng coconut oil, ng latik. Kuha tayo ng half pack nito. We don't need cooking oil in this recipe because we already have this coconut extraction of oil plus we will be using yung atsuete oil. The oil is coming out. The bubbles are getting smaller. Okay? So we are ready to mix it with our atsuete oil. Okay, there. Now, sinasabi nila, atsuete is only color. No, it's not. Once it starts mixing with the other ingredients, then the wonderful aroma, the woodsy floral notes, and nutty notes of the atsuete oil start coming out. Okay? So, ito. Gisa na tayo. Garlic, onions, ginger. Tapos, let's put in our turmeric. There you go. Okay. After that, we put in our curry powder. So, the oil coming from the powder will mix with the oil of the coconut and atsuete. Then, lagay na natin ang ating bagoong. Okay, pampabango yan. And then, we put in the rest of our gata, our Coco Mama. There you go. Wow! You should be here. This smells so good. And then, lagay na natin yung accents natin. Lagyan natin ng chili para may heat. Okay? We put a little soy sauce. Patis. And then we accentuate with more coconut accents. Let's put cocojam. And because of the Muslim influence of Zamboanga, we put in some peanut. So medyo makapal tong initial sauce natin. And we are going to thin this down with our coconut water. Okay, there you go. Here's that golden sauce. Tignan natin. Ooh. That's nice. Okay, let's put some pepper for more warmth. So, our sauce is done. Tabi muna natin. Let's put it aside. Time to cook our shrimps. Okay. Since we're going to use a coconut container, meron tayong coconut water na nilagay natin sa sauce, di ba? So itong natitirang coconut water or buko juice will be used to blanch the shrimps. Lagyan natin ng salt and pepper para may extra sweetness yung prawns. So our coconut water, salt and pepper is boiling. Okay, all we have to do is blanch our prawns. These prawns were split. I split these prawns kasi mas masarap kung papasok yung sauce, no? If the sauce just comes in. Okay, so take a look. Our prawns have changed color. So what are we going to do? We are going to get the sauce that we prepared, the Zamboanga sauce, and we are going to put in our prawns. Yung tubig from the cooking of the prawns, we won't use anymore. No, we'll throw it away. So this is our prawns in Zamboanga sauce. You need a lot of freshly steamed rice for this. Okay, and because it is made out of coconut, we can get a fresh young coconut, buko. We're going to put it in 2 containers. There you go. And boy, I can't wait. I need some really hot rice for this. Wow, that sauce. It's so good. Okay, accents the flavor of the seafood, and you can use this recipe and mix other types of seafood. You can put clams, you can put mussels. You can use this recipe on crabs. Wow, this sauce is all-purpose. If you like the recipe, please press the subscribe button so that we can inform you of the next videos that are coming. We're having more videos na dadating tayo. And, please, bigyan nyo ako ng thumbs up kung gusto nyo itong recipe na to. Okay? Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaluto at masarap na pagkain sa inyong hapag.